Hey everybody, Old Man Crypto here, trying to take the intimidation out of crypto. Sitting in Venice, Italy, to do a quick segment on Cryptohopper for you. And let's take a look at some of the effects on the market with your buys in Cryptohopper right now. So let's take a look at what's going on here right now and talk about a couple things. One is, so this is 6 days into Cryptohopper, and I was doing pretty well back here in the first few days. You can see that I had some buys going on. This is when I sold off all that Verge, had a negative, and then I had some buys going on and some sells happening, and it was looking pretty good. Then I went into a ton of bags, if we look over here, and they're still sitting there. All that ADA is just killing me. The EOS is killing me. They're all killing me, and I think this is why. Remember when we were in the back testing and we did and I set up these coins using the current best configuration for the coin? Well, I think that's what screwed me. Obviously, it didn't work very well for me. So, I'm not going to do that again, I don't think. And then signals, I've got only one pair that's in there right now. The Tron was signaled by this altcoin Ninja, so we'll see how that works. It hasn't hurt me yet. I mean, it was up. The problem with that one is I think they set the profit way too high on that one. So we'll see what happens. I've got it in sell mode only right now, and I may just panic sell all these, take the loss, and start over, because as we look at the market, and we're starting to get some green in there, and if I can get this working for me, then great. And actually, the other side of it may be just leave it alone, panic sell it off, and let it go. Because as Bitcoin keeps going up, you know, my whole goal is to increase my positions in Bitcoin. So I'm looking at a couple different strategies. I could sell everything off in here at a loss, do a panic sell, and just let that money sit there as Bitcoin continues to go up. People are asking why I did a technical analysis on Bitcoin, and that's because this directly affects what's happening in this market right now. Mainly because we don't have any new money coming in. We're sitting at $470 billion in market cap right now, and I don't think that's changed much since yesterday. And we were at about, what, $800 billion in December. So that's, you know, almost half the amount of money out of the market since December, which we need some new money coming in. And then once we see new money come in, we'll see all the coins start shooting up again. Because the reality is, we're just passing money from, a lot of times it looks like we're just passing money from Bitcoin into these other coins, back and forth. So for Cryptohopper to work well, for me, in my mind, I've got to have a sideways market on Bitcoin or a down market on Bitcoin, where the money's coming back into these other altcoins. Now, the top 20 or so are looking pretty healthy right now. Actually, maybe even the top 50, which is great. Look at that. We got a couple 13%ers in there. But I may sell off all my coins anyway in a panic sell here and let Bitcoin work for me until that starts going sideways or down. And then I'd have a better chance of picking up some coins at a decent value and having them shoot back up and make some profit off of them. So if you're holding a bunch of bags, don't feel bad. There's others out there like you, not just myself. I've heard some other YouTubers talk about how they're holding some bags out there. You know, overall, obviously my Bitcoin is performing well because I've got still some decent holdings in Bitcoin, but my Cryptohopper is well, it's still up because I sold off at profits in here, but that's like $5. Um, my Bitcoin investment that I've got is down. Obviously, the current positions are down. So I'll try a couple different strategies. I'll probably start with that one, just decreasing the amount of return on each coin that I'm willing to take, and see if they'll sell off finally. Um, and we'll go from there. So good trading. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll take a look at this again in the next couple days.